Welcome to this video series about Papyrus Converse. In the last part, we will look at how management and business experts design the value stream for the car insurance request using the no-code approach of the Converse Value Stream Designer. Your business experts use the Papyrus Converse Value Stream Designer to design collaborative processes as a series of stages with clearly set goals and actions that are needed to succeed. The Converse Value Stream Designer is available as a tablet and desktop application. Let's follow Layla's steps on the iPad. In the category Insurance, she finds a generic insurance template that she will use and customize for her purpose. The template already includes predefined value stream stages, common actions, and role assignments. The value stream will be triggered by a customer placing an insurance request. Then a clerk will have to work on the received information, provide an insurance quote, and get it approved from a supervisor. Layla adds an additional stage to handle the quote when it was accepted by the customer. She adds the data for the action Place Insurance Request, which have to be entered by the customer on the website, like email address, birth date, and vehicle data. Layla adds a new action to the request handling stage to approve the insurance quote. She explicitly assigns this action to a clerk and constrains it with a business rule in natural language. In order to simplify rule definitions, the Value Stream Designer offers a set of predefined rule templates. She selects a rule from the comparison category, as she wants to define that only quotes with premiums below €1,500 can be approved by the clerk. Then she adds the approval actions for the supervisor, as they are the only ones who can approve a premium without restrictions. Layla adds the supervisor role to the value stream and assigns it to the specific action. In order to finish the value stream, the quote must be accepted in the end. She can easily rearrange actions via drag and drop to the corresponding approval stage. The manager's definition is now finished. She uploads the value stream from the iPad to Papyrus Converse and passes its finalization to business expert Harry. Harry uses the browser-based Value Stream Designer to dig deeper into the value stream in order to define the complete business application experience. In the value stream's workplace, he finds the stages defined by Layla and adds the necessary goals in natural language as completion criteria. He then continues in the action definitions workplace and defines the data that has to be filled for the action Place Insurance Request. The available fields can be rearranged in the Forms Designer via drag and drop corresponding to the sequence in which they have to be entered into the web form. He notices that the vehicle plate field is missing and extends the insurance ontology with this additional property. Additional properties like approved and accepted are added to the insurance quote. Data types like Boolean can be assigned to the newly defined properties. Back in the Actions workplace, the new Vehicle Plate property can now be added to the insurance request form. Harry also adds rules where necessary in order to comply with legal or company regulations. Rules can have different enforcement types. The approval of an insurance quote is obligatory and requires that a premium value was defined. After defining rules and goals for the entire value stream, all rules can be viewed in the rulebook. It provides a comprehensive overview of the applied rules to guarantee business compliance. Once a new version of the value stream application is reached, it is activated and immediately ready to be used in production, as it was shown in the second video of this series. The design stage using Value Stream Designer for tablet and desktop is now finished, and the application is ready to be used in production.